Have you ever felt like everything is falling apart at once? Like the whole world is against you, and every effort you make feels pointless? You're not alone. But listen closely. Being broken doesn't mean it's over. Shattered doesn't mean it can't be fixed. Even cracked glass can be reforged and become stronger than before. There are moments in life when you feel like you have no one. No friends who understand, family who might not get it, and even you yourself feeling lost. It's like being stuck in darkness without a single clue on where to go. This isn't just about failure at work, school, or in relationships. It's about that hollow feeling, that sense of being broken inside. And that's what hurts the most. Internal wounds are often invisible. You can smile in front of people, but deep inside, your heart is screaming. You feel alone in a noisy world. But hear this, that pain, that brokenness you're feeling right now, is not the end of your story. Let's talk about being broken. Every great person in this world has been broken. Oprah Winfrey was fired from her job. Steve Jobs was kicked out of the very company he built. Walt Disney was once told he lacked creativity. But look at them now. Did they stop there? Did they give up along the way? No. They rose back up, not because they were strong from the start, but because they chose to keep going. Maybe right now, you can't see the purpose. It all feels blurry, and you see no way out. But one thing is for sure, every crack in your life is part of the process of building a new you. Okay, let's be realistic. Being broken hurts. But there are ways to endure it. Here are some things you can do when life feels like it's breaking you down. 1. Acknowledge that the pain is real. Don't pretend to be strong. Your pain is valid. Crying is not a sign of weakness. In fact, by admitting that you're in pain, you're taking the first step toward healing. 2. Stop blaming yourself. Failure doesn't mean you're a bad person. Sometimes, we fail not because we're wrong, but because life is trying to teach us a lesson. Forgive yourself. 3. Focus on what you can control. You can't control what others think. You can't change what has already happened in the past. But you can control how you respond. Focus on the small steps you can take right now. 4. Rebuild, even if it's slowly. No one says you have to get back up and succeed by tomorrow morning. Sometimes, just surviving the day is already a huge victory. Step by step, little by little, every small step forward matters. Now, imagine yourself 5 years from now. What would your future self say to you today? Maybe they'd say, "Hey, I'm proud of you. Thank you for not giving up back then. If it weren't for your courage to endure those hard times, I wouldn't be where I am today." Right now, you might feel weak, but believe me, you're being forged. And one day, you'll look back and say, "I'm proud of the person I became because I didn't give up." There's a Japanese philosophy that might inspire you. It's called Kintsugi. In Japan, when a ceramic bowl breaks, they don't throw it away. Instead, they repair it with liquid gold. The cracks aren't hidden. They're highlighted and made part of the bowl's beauty. The bowl that was once broken becomes even more valuable than it was before. You are Kintsugi. Every wound, every failure, every crack in your life is part of your story. And that story is beautiful if you're willing to endure and rebuild it. So when life breaks you, remember this: you're not broken alone. You're not a failure alone. And you don't have to rise alone. This is not the end of your story. It's just the start of a new chapter. Broken doesn't mean ruined. Broken is the process of becoming something more beautiful. Rise up, because the world needs the beautiful story that only you can create. If you ever need a place to share your story, write it in the comments below. We're here for you. You are not alone. If this video gives you strength, share it with a friend who might need some motivation. Because sometimes, one small message can change someone's life. Don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and stay strong.